Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We're at the Intermodal wax place. Got a train. Let's check it. Well, it's going this way. Couldn't see the engine that time right now. This is train video, should be officially number 15. There we go. Yeah, I got one thing left. It's already uploaded. That is the OC&T trains were done for the day after I did 13 videos of mixed freight videos and grain hopper trains heading to the at the freight yard, and also grain hopper yards at the Charter Plastics. Yeah, we just got a tanker train getting ready. Get some tankers full. And I don't think we'll probably have to get there's 3 tankers in the full spot, and that was it. But otherwise, everything else is empty. Got a tanker over too at the shrubbery. Now, this is train number 5 at the tankers. Alright, on to the on to the tanker. We'll be back when the tanker comes by. Roll it. Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. Here they come. Let's check it out. I don't know, you're going to see the engine that time or what? It's already like 4 ethanol so far. Okay, here we go. It's like 5 ethanols and that's it, huh? Yep. Yeah, you can see it now. Now we got the engine this time here. Now this is the Alco 85. Former Canadian Nationals at the Perry, and then Alco 75s at the in the storage track. Let's see if we can get the engine that timer, huh? Comes the dump truck. There he goes. All right, we'll stop the video until they get back. Roll it. Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got a ethanol train coming. Let's check it out. I don't know where Tom's at. Is he losing? No, there he is. He must be on the other end of the track. The Alco chugs. Alco unit's chugging. This has to be a full tank. Yeah, there's a full, might be a full tanker, probably 2 at the end. And there it goes. There's the end. All right, I'm gonna shut that camera off for now and until that tanker gets there. So we'll get back on. Talk to you later.